Hello everyone and welcome to online video tutorials. In this video we are going to see few job dates. This is the video which is after 2 weeks that previous video you would have seen about Keel and before that Maruti Suzuki and other videos we have seen. There are few updates regarding this recruitment coming from Hitachi and some other recruitments coming from other companies like Atkins. Also there is a recruitment, and also if you have recently seen on the Telegram, I have posted about this Tata Steel. There was this recruitment of JET. Currently that form filling has been closed, but if you have applied you would be preparing for that, and soon AET will also be released, because after JET within 1 month or so AET is also released, so AET will also be coming, and these are other things like this Millennium Scholarship and these internal recruitments. So you can visit that website also. I'll provide the link, and keep that link handy if you want to apply in Tata Steel. So keep this link handy, because whenever new job recruitment is coming in Tata Steel, you will get by this official website link. Okay. So that one is gone, and the Telegram link also you can just keep on looking, so that you'll be getting update there also. First of all, what this video contains. So this video contains two important thing. One is for mechanical engineer, design engineer. There is a shop which is mentioning for assistant engineer in the Atkinson. Atkinson is a very good global company in which you can apply. Mumbai, India location. This job is there. There is no specific requirement of number of years of experience, but a few skills they have asked. Similarly for Hitachi, like there are 15 electrical jobs for the India. So there is manager job, engineer, senior engineer job, and then at different location. And then there are again assistant manager and senior engineer, sales, marketing, signaling, and PNB engineer. This propulsion engineer is there, and then this is ETCS engineer. So there are various good jobs, and if you can directly Google assistant engineer salary for Atkinson, so it comes around 5.6 to 10 LPA, and for Hitachi also it comes around 9.6. So you can have, on an average, expect about 8 LPA salary. So that is a good starting salary for the core jobs. Firstly, let's see about the Atkinson, because there is this one recruitment assistant engineer. They have mentioned this Gurgaon, but in the details they have clearly mentioned that we are looking for design engineer role in Mumbai, India. So this is a role about the company. This is one of the top mostly leading company, and these are various things you can go through. This technical requirement, basically they need design work. So if you have done any internship in design, like you have done internship in railways, so that will be very useful. If you know about the AutoCAD, you or teaching somewhere AutoCAD, so that will be very useful. Civil 3D, this rail track related things. Basically regarding rail, if you have some designing experience, so that is very useful, whether in form of internship, whether in form of personal projects or anything. So these are various things they are looking for you in the interview and in the selection procedure. So if you have some or other thing of it, so you can apply. Project management, you'll be, it's not that only the engineering task you'll be given, some of sort of the project management also, because as a trend engineer is a good post, so you'll be giving that opportunity also. So for that, these type of the projects will be given. So for project, you need to have a good working knowledge to adhere to the time. These are mostly what we see, soft skill kind of thing, and some certification course if you have done, then that is add on here, and opportunity on the various projects like competitive salary, group insurance, and these are various benefits they will give. And why you need to choose this company, like they are saying that why you need to work in the Atkinson. So they have given this reason here, that this is some goodness, and they have also mentioned here most exciting projects. You can go through that also. So this is all about there. You can apply from the resume, you can apply manually, you can apply from the previous form which you have applied here. So that is this official website, so you can apply. And then in Hitachi, like you can open one by one these. I'll give you this thing. I opened a few like this: manager, assistant manager, solar, sales, marketing, so that have mentioned experience, but how many years of experience, that hasn't been mentioned. So those who are having this profile requirements, they can apply. There is this direct email. You can email your resume Okay, so whatever experience you have on this, you can apply the resume. They will shortlist accordingly. For engineer, this senior engineer engineering, they have again asked for experience, level experience, and they have asked for these type of role. In this, you need to have BE Tech in the power or electrical. In the first one, they have asked for BE Tech in the electronics, power electronics instrumentation, or if you graduate in the commerce field with the string inverter sales experience. And this one is a good thing, proportion APS, TCMS, TNC engineer, because that is an entry level job, and they have just asked giving you this junior engineer rule, and they haven't asked for any much experience. They have just asked for 1 to 3 years of experience in this testing. So any of you who are having this experience, or will whoever will or desire to work in the Japanese companies, so they are like very much interested here, and you can apply here. Okay, so you can go through all this if you are fitting in that role. There was one more which was new, this proportion and this ECTS. This one also you can use. When these other are also new, it's like these are the recent one, and mostly senior engineer they are asking for some experience, but you can see this signaling and VNV engineer also. So let me open each one for you. Oh, sorry. Let me refresh it. Okay, now I can open it. This one, the signaling VNV. Again, there's how much experience they are asking. They are asking 3 to 5 years of experience. Okay, so for experienced, that will be there. But these are very good electrical post if you have electrical qualification and some add-on experience. So engineer customer support, this is also experience required. Only this one junior engineer post was there, which is proportion. Yeah, this one. This is entry level post. So this one, all of electrical engineers can apply. And let me see whether they have satisfied with the diploma or not. They haven't mentioned that. You can go through yourself also and see if you're eligible. You can apply here. Engineer, this one experienced again. So for experience, there are 16 posts in total, 16 type of vacancies. So you can apply number of posts they haven't mentioned. So I won't comment anything regarding that, because a few of the educators or few of the uh, job YouTubers will always say to you that bumper openings are there, bumper openings are there. But that's not the case really. So don't extrapolate those things. This is minimum 7 to 10 years of experience there, and this is all about Hitachi. So I'll be giving you this link. Be giving you this link directly. You can apply Jensen if you are eligible, and also like this link I'll provide you, so that in future if any Tata Steel vacancies are coming, you'll get notified. I'll also try to uh, give a link in Telegram also for any future uploads of the Tata Steel if I'm able to make video on the time. But yeah, it's better like you have this link saved with you and keep on visiting that link once in a week. So you'll be getting notified about all Tata Steel recruitment. So this in the Atkins, and if you're applying, you can comment in the comment section. Hitachi, if you're applying, you can comment in the comment section. In the next video, you'll be seeing some of the job dates, some other branches. So you can also mention your total years of experience and your branch and which type of job you're looking for, so that in the future we can make more such type of videos. All right. So this is it for this video. In the next one. Thank you. Have a nice day.